Now, right now, you mightn't be taking action because you're not an entrepreneur. I love the way this term is just bandied around the place. And it counts out a lot of us because a lot of us don't see ourselves as entrepreneurs. We just see ourselves as Joe Soap or Sally Soap or whatever it is. But we don't have any letters after our name. We don't have any titles. We don't have, this entrepreneur gene in our DNA. No one in our family ever had a business before. So we're just count ourselves out. We just not like those people. There are a few select people that are entrepreneurs, but you and I, not a chance. And hopefully by the end of this video, I'm going to make you rethink that nonsense that you're hearing right now. And I'm going to show you that there is great value in you. And I'm going to show you who you can help. The old way was that you needed to have a title. You needed to wait around for ideas. Now, that was a trap I fell into. And you're always going to find that when you're waiting for ideas or waiting to get started, that just leads to more waiting. Waiting just leads to more waiting, and you're never going to take action. In my own case, I didn't know where I could start. I didn't think I was qualified. I didn't think anything I made would have value, that anyone would pay attention to me, never mind give me cash for it. And that's probably where you are right now. You're discounting yourself and your value because of that. And the sad part is you are going to pass through this world taking all the knowledge, advice, and ideas with you that would really help someone right now. And I don't want that to happen to you. So the new way to get over this kind of entrepreneurial kind of hurdle that you're in right now is to see value in yourself, is to see that you can help someone with who you are, with what you know, and then just put it out there. Now, in my own case, I didn't see any value in myself. I just thought I was just Barry, plain old simple Barry, who is going to buy anything off me. Now, go back a few years, I had a great idea for a digital product. It was a simple video course where I showed people how to create illustrations for children's picture books. It was a thing I stumbled upon myself. I was paying a lot of money for illustrators for my picture books, and I knew I couldn't keep doing it. I had to find a cheaper way to do it. And what I did was I found this technique that really worked for me. And I said to myself, I wonder will anyone else like to know about this? So what I did was I just simply recorded my whole process of how I did it. And I was on the verge of putting it up for sale, but I froze. And the reason I froze was I didn't see any value in this. What I said to myself was anybody can go on Google, go on YouTube, and they'll see exactly how you do it. So I'm taking money off someone who can just do that work themselves. Oh, this is too easy. I almost felt guilty taking money from people for something that I could do in my sleep. Now, thankfully, there was a friend of mine who said, Barry, that is a great product. Put it out there and let's see what happens. And thankfully I did. And a few days later, I had a couple of $1,000 in my bank account from this video course that I was about to toss away. And that's because I didn't see value in myself. And what I'd say to you is that if you're thinking to yourself, well, that's okay for you, Barry. You created the video course. You knew what you were talking about. You knew who you were selling to. And that's something that I can't do. Before you count yourself out, I want you to remember this. You can create something right now for the past version of you. Now, right now, as you're probably watching this content, you're probably thinking I've recorded this video for you. But I have created for the past version of me. There used to be a version of me who didn't think he was an entrepreneur, didn't think he had any value in him, didn't think he could make money online. And that's why I'm creating that content for the past version of me. Because I know there is other past versions of me watching this content right now. So what I'd say to you is before you count yourself out, before you think you've got nothing of value, I want you to think about what you've learned in the last 12 months. What do you know right now that you didn't know 12 months ago? What do you know right now that you didn't know 5 years ago? What mistake do you regret making that you hoped the younger version of you will never make again? That there is content. That there is products. That there is services. So before you kind of get lost down this rabbit hole of I'm an entrepreneur or I need to do what those people are doing, just bring it back to you. Who could you help who's in the same situation you were in that you go over? And then what you simply do is you just create content, you make videos, you make digital products, but you provide for those people. And you're going to find that even though you probably don't see value in yourself right now, there is somebody that wishes they knew what you know right now. That's going to help somebody save some money. maybe help them lose weight, maybe let them have a better relationship with their kids or whatever. And they will be so grateful that you have given them that knowledge that they'll actually pay you for it. Yes, they'll actually pay you. You will actually become an online entrepreneur. So what I'd say to you is stop counting yourself out. Stop waiting around, because waiting leads to more waiting. What you need to do is get in the game, start focusing on the past version of you who needed help. Put that content out there, put that product out there, write the books, whatever you need to do, but get it out to those people and they'll pay you. And you'll be an entrepreneur just like the rest of us. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.